Did you know that sleep is just as important as your workouts? Let me tell you why. Hi, I'm Alex Mix, professional personal trainer, and I help people transform their lives through fitness and accountability. Let's talk about sleep and its role in your success. When you sleep, your body is in recovery mode. It's trying to erase all the previous day's stresses and return to an optimal state. This is when your muscles repair themselves and grow stronger. Poor sleep will disrupt your hormone balance and, among many things, cause an increase in cortisol levels. Increased levels of cortisol can lead to weight gain and a reduction in testosterone. Testosterone is the hormone that is essential for muscle growth. You want to aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night, with a strong emphasis on quality. You want to create a sleep-friendly environment. Keep your room cool, minimize light, and establish a relaxing bedtime routine. And of course, a consistent sleep schedule can make a world of difference. Ready to optimize your fitness? Start by fixing your sleep. Lots of people do all these obscure things to try to improve their health, some valid, some not, but then they neglect their sleep. This is crazy because getting good quality sleep is one of the highest leverage actions that you can do to improve your health. Neglecting your sleep and then doing all these other things to try to improve your health from that point is like stepping over $100 bills to pick up pennies. You'll never come out ahead and it's super inefficient. So just get good sleep. If you found this information valuable, subscribe to the channel for more tips. And if you want to know why strength training is non-negotiable, watch my last video by clicking above. Stay strong, people.